Friends, I want to show you the issues what I'm facing with the Samsung A50. Yesterday, for almost since last 12 hours, I have issue with the touch screen. I'm unable to unlock the screen, and it was not even coming the unlock pattern. Now it is much better. Now it is somehow it is unlocked. But if I use the same thing again, see here, it says incorrect pattern. I didn't change anything, but the touch screen is not functional as you know not expected in such a way. So it say I'm trying to do, I tried cleaning my hands and wiping out all the, I've removed even the tempered glass. Even I have see, it worked now. I've cleaned everything on the screen, but still it's not functioning. 12 hours before it was worst. I couldn't access a single thing on my phone, but now it is little better. So I'm taking this phone to the service station, Samsung service station. You see this, it takes a lot of time. And if I click on Facebook, it somehow opens now, but you see the back key isn't functioning. And if I click this, no, I couldn't access the buttons or what we have, Wi-Fi, mobile network, all these things. Nothing is working. So the scrolling is only I can do it like this, but it's not functioning. So I'm taking not some buttons, some places the screen is working, and some parts of the screen is not functioning as expected. So I'm taking this to Samsung service station. So if you see my dial, it takes a lot of time to come. Messages, no. Camera, no. It's not functioning. So this mobile was taken on March 8th. Today is March 23rd. So exactly 15 days. Last night I had a call with the Samsung customer care, and they said I couldn't access anything. If in case it was not even functioning like this last night. So they suggested me to go to service station, Samsung service station, and sometimes it's like they said it's also 14 days of the replacement of a new product if in case there are genuine issues, as per the Samsung information. If the product is having some genuine issues, then it will be replaced in 14 days of the the time the mobile is purchased. If not, 15th day onwards. Today is exactly 15 days. I don't know why they kept 14 days, and it's not working since the time it is actually 14 days old. So not sure what exactly the issue, but 15th day, if in case the product will not be replaced, they can only replace the whichever is damaged, whichever is some issues are with the screen. So they might change the screen, or not the product replacement. They cannot change the complete phone itself. Okay, so I didn't drop anywhere. You can see this, there are no scratches, nothing happened to my phone. That's the first question raised by Samsung when I called customer care. In fact, I couldn't call them, but I tried. I asked my friend to have a connectivity. I requested my friend another alternate number to contact them and put me in a voice conference call. Somehow call got connected. I could pick the call. So I had it, it's like lucky, I could say. So there are no, if you see closely, there's nothing on my screen here. There's no damage, nothing happened. I mean, I didn't the phone didn't fall anywhere. But I don't know what happened. All of a sudden it stopped working, the screen. So everything is fine. I like the phone and the features are good. But if the touch screen doesn't work, see, earlier I clicked it, it didn't work. Now see, again I clicked it, now it's not working. So it some are working, some are not working. But I don't know what is happening with this. So I'm taking this to the Samsung store, and I'll update you guys what exactly happens there. Okay.